Automate image organization with batch files.
Discover how to quickly rename and move images using Windows batch scripts. No programming experience is required, just a basic understanding of files and folders. With a simple batch file, you can organize hundreds of photos in seconds, saving time and reducing manual errors. Let's explore how batch files can transform your image management workflow.
What are batch files?
Batch files are plain text files that automate tasks in Windows. Saved with a .bat extension, they contain a series of commands run in sequence. You can use them for repetitive file actions like renaming and moving images. Batch files are a handy tool for beginners and professionals alike because they require no special software.
How to batch rename images.
To rename images automatically, use the ren command inside a batch file. For example, you can rename all JPEG files from img1.jpg, img2.jpg, and so on to vacation_1.jpg, vacation2.jpg, etc. The batch file might look like ren img*jpg vacation*jpg. This saves time and ensures a consistent naming structure.
Moving images with batch files.
Moving files can be automated using the move command. For instance, to move all images from your Downloads folder to a new Pictures folder, you could use move C user's username downloads/jpeg, C user's username pictures. Run the batch file and watch as all matching photos are neatly relocated.
Tips for safe and efficient automation.
Always test your batch file on a few sample images before using it on your entire collection. Double-check file paths and naming conventions to avoid accidental data loss. Save a copy of your images as a backup. With these precautions, you can safely automate even large photo libraries in just a few clicks.